The 2008 Mazda 6. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, wheel locks, traction control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, security system, cruise control, power outlet, power door locks, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, rear bench seat. Exceptionally stylish and fun to drive, the Mazda 6 has quality, dependability, and reliability at the heart of its design. This acclaimed sports sedan appeals to your senses and your wallet. Your new ride is just a phone call away.